will lose our identity and strength. Come, I'll take you to the museum to understand history and heritage better. Okay, Grandma. History are not just in books. It's here, alive in disciplines. These are ancient coins and ribbons. They were used by kings centuries ago. Science, medicine, and literature. They teach us the importance of education and knowledge in history.
Emperor Montfort, who spread the values of peace, leads to true spirit.
India's monument at Montfort and Red Fort reflect our rich architectural heritage and across the world. They teach us architectural brilliance and cultural pride.
Our history also states the freedom struggle led by Mahatma Gandhi, who suffered personal violence. He teaches songs and arts passed down from generation to generation. They teach us performing arts as a part of it.
History and heritage are so important. They tell us who we are and where we came from.
So friends, history is not just reading about old stories, and heritage is not just about old buildings. They are identity, pride, and strength. Let us learn from our history, protect our heritage, and pass it on to the next generation.
Teachers and my dear students, happy morning to all. Today, I want to share a little story about weapons. Yes, as in you have to go through sharpening, and trust me, it's going to hurt a little, but that's how you become better. Third, you might make mistakes. A winner trophy and a medal. Community of grade 4A has secured second place.
Dear students, happy morning to you all. First of all, I would like to congratulate grade 9A presenting today's assembly on the theme history and heritage. I have not seen their activities, but it is all written in the history. In the